everyone, welcome to my channel once again. This is Ganiva Edge and I'm Ganiva. Today episode we are going to talk about personal development because one of our purpose of this channel is about personal development. Now many people are getting personal development wrong. But before that, you can see my background because um I'm in school now. I'm at my hostel and I don't want to pause my videos, so I'm continuing doing my videos, but it will be my hostel, so you see a different background these days in my videos because I don't want to stop making videos, keeping my people waiting for me, so we need to still do this even when we are in school. So you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ganiva. Now many people are getting personal development very wrong, and when you ask someone about personal development, most of the times people be like, are you the only person in this world? Like some people make you feel very uncommon because you keep boundaries, you know when to talk, how to talk, you know how to carry yourself, you do things most people don't like doing, and sometimes it feels so weird and people like, are you the only person in this world? Let us think. That's what most people say. Because when I started developing myself, I can see that I'm so special among my peers. I can feel myself that I'm doing things most of people are not doing. And many people are getting personal development very wrong. And today episode, chap, we are going to talk about it. Now, I don't need any big dictionary words to explain personal development, right? Personal development is simply developing your capabilities, developing yourself, or it simply means improving on yourself. So just like you update your apps on your phone, just like you update your phone systems, the same way you need to also update yourself. You need to improve on yourself. So the things I used to do when I was a kid, I'm not doing most of them because I'm a grown up now, right? So I don't do most of the things I used to do as a kid. Yeah, so personal development is all about developing yourself, improving on your capabilities. So don't think when people are improving on yourself, it's so weird. Don't think such things. And you need to also keep on improving on yourself because you will know how to handle your emotions. You know the people that should come in your life and the people that should be out of your life. You'll be focused in your life. You know your purpose in this life. You know what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in this world. It's like you are focused, you are mindful and very demure. If you know want to know what mindful and very demure is, you can check my channel. I have mindful videos that you can check as well. So personal development is a top notch for me because since I was a kid, I was doing personal development things, activities. Like when I was a kid, I really loved reading books and I was really in love with these movies, this series, right? Yes, and when I watched them, it's not like I was watching them for fun and when we go to class, we'll be talking about it, no. But when I was watching those movies or those series, I'll be using it to compare my life because I see my life as series. This problem comes, this problem goes, this problem comes, and this problem goes. And it's like, let me use this to compare. So I'm having a YouTube channel now. And when I wasn't having a YouTube channel, I was so focused on my studies only and my money issues only. But now I'm having a YouTube channel. I'm not much focused on that. So it's like it's live. This comes, this goes, and the ones that you were thinking last 3 days or last few months won't be the same thing you are thinking today. So you need to keep on improving yourself to adapt yourself to the things around you. So stop getting personal development very wrong. Personal development, you need to improve on yourself. You need to be spiritually improved, personally improved, mentally improved, physically, your appearance. You need to improve on your appearance, your emotions, improve on your emotions. When you used to take things personal, You stop taking things personal. That was me. Yeah, so stop getting personal development wrong, because you need to keep improving. You need to be the best version of yourself. I always say that we have role models in this world, right? And we want to become like them, of course. But growing up, I realized that we want to become like them, but another version of them, that's what we want to become, not exactly like them. So we want to become like them in another version, but not exactly like them. That's how I realized we need to change putting in some words how we describe our role models, because you can't become exactly like your role models. You can only become another version of them. That's what I realized. But if you don't agree with me, you can let me know in the comment section. So stop getting personal development or personal growth wrong. Everyone needs to improve on their self. It's like if you don't improve on yourself, you keep on being the same place that you are without going forward, without changing. I hope you understand what I mean. And I'm still improving myself though. And improving on myself, I realized I'm really having potentials to do some kind of things, because I'm still developing myself. I'm still discovering who I am because I'm doing some things now that I never thought in my life that I can do such things, but here I am. So personal development will also help you to discover yourself. That's self-discovery. It will help you to be personally aware of the things you do. That's self-awareness. It also help you to be focused in life. That is mindfulness. And it will also help you to be the best version of yourself, because this channel is all about being the best version of yourself. So I just said I was doing these things when I was a kid. Okay, I didn't know it was personal growth or personal development. And I said, okay, then why don't I also share or just be my best version and create a channel, connect with people? That would be nice. So keep on being who you are. Keep on improving on yourself. Don't stop improving on yourself. Don't. Sometimes when I come to my life at some point in my life and I stop reading, I stop praying, I stop listening to music, I stop dancing here and there, and I stop learning, it makes me feel like I'm stuck in life. So I just need to keep on improving on myself. So you need to always keep improving on yourself. Stop getting personal development wrongly. Stop seeing people who are improving on themselves that they are weird. They they are weird. They don't like to associate. That's not what it is. But they are just protecting their inner peace, and it's okay with them. So I want someone who is watching me right now to stop thinking personal development is a wrong thing. You need to improve on yourself in every aspect of your life. Okay? So thank you if you watch me to this part of the video. I'm standing today because it's my hostel and I want to stand. I feel like standing today. This is my first time standing in my videos. So you're welcome to my channel. Please do well to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to join our community. You see, that was my friend, my hostel mate. She just ran away. Yeah, so thank you all for joining. Please do well to join my community as well by clicking the bell icon to subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think about personal development as well. Okay, let me know what you think. Do you agree with me, or do you think I said some things that you don't like? Girl, no, this is not what it means. You can also let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay very focused, enjoy your life, keep improving on yourself, do what you love doing, and at the end, it's really paid. Bye. I need to go now. My roommates are making noise.